Thank you for a good job. I came out to give Polk County a little advertising because I was going to let them know how efficient and how soon you guys came and took care of that.
Yeah, we're about to be busy next week.
In,
I think this neighborhood is last.
is it?
Yeah, we're doing south because the county is mostly rural.
Right. You know, this is the first time we even gotten the pleasure of meeting. My daughter was just saying, it's amazing how tax dollars do work at some point
Yeah.
when they get to you. But yeah, I was talking to, I think one of your lead people, and he had his arm in a cast. You might know who.
That's Bob.
Yeah, I was talking to him, and I was like, well, I need to find a list because I'm a public figure. So what I do is I do a lot of media for the local communities. I've been doing Marion County. I'm Brenda Ellison, Face to Face Radio Talk.
Oh.
So I do advertising for Marion County businesses. And making connections is really very important right now.
Yeah.
Knowing who's who. So I got to come to Polk County and kind of get a listing and find out what's going on. Because I thought we were Marion County, but
Yeah.
this is right on a borderline.
Yeah, this is an odd thing as far as what we do.
Mm-hmm.
Most of our roads don't have any curb and gutter.
Right.
Most of our roads are just rural county roads. This neighborhood is an exception to the rule.
Okay. I felt like this. We weren't even on the map when we moved here.
This is the only. Somehow this didn't get annexed by City of Salem. Somehow.
I know. We came in on that. People couldn't find us. They look on maps, and it was like, well, of course they don't get the taxes wrong. They know what county to get the taxes paid to, but it was just like the service. Like even now, we see you guys clean it. Doing the streets. A lot of
chip seal's about to happen, right?
What is that?
You didn't know that?
No, sir. See, that's what I'm telling you. How in the world am I going to function and I don't know what's going on?
These roads, chip seal is when you put a layer of oil, let's just call it 1/4 of an inch thick.
Like tar?
Yeah.
Okay.
On the top of the asphalt.
Uh-huh.
And then you drop, let me think of something the right size. Peanut size rocks into the oil and they set down in.
That's like Designer Street. What is that all about? That's something I would do to a walkway.
Yeah, this whole neighborhood's getting it.
What is it? Is it just for beautification?
No.
What is it for?
It seals the asphalt.
Make it last longer.
Yeah.
Because you guys are out here all the time. Well, not here, but you're usually, hey, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
You guys busy today.
Busy.
Yeah, I told him I need to get a job and be a flag person. It's a lot of busyness going on everywhere though.
No kidding.
Yeah, it is. This city is starting to pop everywhere. I mean, new people are coming in and I'm like, where are they going to be? I'm like, they building fast, but they not building fast enough. All the people that's coming in, they think this is a safe haven. But when they come in, we're not going to be the safe haven no more. This was a well-kept secret for over 20 years. I came here 20 years ago, and I was absolutely amazed that this city even existed.
Yeah.
I go to another city and think about moving, and I say, well, I can't do it right now. 20 years later, we're still here. But yeah, it's definitely popping. How's your day going?
I'm pretty good. How about you?
Oh, well, you came and did your thing. So I guess we got out the way so you could do your thing for the tree. I saw some more trees hanging too. And that's this.
We got the last 2 trees we're going to get. That's a little bit why the trees are getting cut is because we're doing the chip seal.
Okay, so
There's a lot of equipment in here.
Okay, so the chip seal is going to benefit only in the way of being able to make sure you don't have to do this constantly every year? Or is it going to help us with traction when the snow comes?
The other thing it does, it gives you more traction in the ice.
Right, because we have been where we couldn't go anywhere.
Oh yeah, it's pretty
We've been,
steep up.
yeah, it's steep up here. So that's going to be a good thing. See, I got you. Face to Face Radio just got through broadcasting the scoop on Polk County. Oh my goodness. Well, yeah, you tell.
What channel is your radio station?
We online. We're online radio.
Oh.
And we are networked with like 12 other channels. So what I do after I post it, I'll go and give it to Kaiser. I'll give it to all the different communities. Chamber of Commerce, all over. Your Chamber of Commerce. And we have a Latin Chamber of Commerce. So people are going to always be in the know whether they respond. But pretty good. We've been getting good for the businesses, getting a lot of response in terms of local restaurants and different things like that. I kind of just do analysis news. In other words, I want people to know what counts, not so much entertainment, but I want them to know what's counting, when they make decisions about money, when they make decisions about doing something different or trying to help bring something different that needs to happen, they got some real live stuff. They ain't got I ain't got time for entertainment. I'm too old for that.
Okay, we got to get going to the next job.
All right. And your name? Kent. Nice to meet you.
We'll be seeing you when we're chip sealing.
All right. I'll see you with chip sealing. Bye-bye now. So you got a lot of money being spent on the city, the beautification of the city. And I wanted to show you how they cut the tree back. The tree was actually a danger to, hanging over the streets. Okay, can you see it? They just kind of it was like a leaning tower out on the sidewalk, and they need to cut some of it off. Okay, there we go. Broadcast for today. I didn't get it while they were actually in the service of cutting the tree. I ended up coming out too late. And thank you, Ken, for your opportunity to share all the internet off, Clark.